Hey guys, if you are watching this, you missed the functions of an egg lecture. As usual, I go through this relatively quickly. If you need to pause, write anything down, go for it. But I'll kind of zoom through what you missed. So, what do eggs do in different baking goods? We've talked about how proteins rejamble. The word is denature, where they will lose their shape, what denaturing is, and then they will re-entangle in different and new exciting ways. But what does this actually do in a recipe? So, one thing that eggs do is they can be an emulsifier. So an emulsifier is an emulsion is a mixture that forms when liquids are combined that do not normally mix. So, for an example, oil and vinegar salad dressing do not mix. That's why when you have an oil and vinegar salad dressing, you have to shake it before you use, because otherwise there's a thin layer of oil on top. But yolk in it, they'll mix. So another example of this would be mayo. So the ingredients are an egg yolk, vinegar, lemon juice, oil, and seasoning. The lemon juice and the vinegar, they separate, but once we add they will permanently combine. So an emulsifier will permanently combine ingredients that don't normally combine. A leavening agent. So a leavening agent is an agent or an item that helps a product rise. A different example that's not eggs would be yeast. Yeast is a type of leavening agent. But in this case, vigorously beating egg whites will add air to them, which will foam. So the product will rise, and when it is cooked, again, that denaturing of proteins takes place, so they will stay in that shape. They'll harden, stay in that shape. Examples of using an egg as a leavening agent include angel food cake and meringue. Like this example of meringue pie. They can also work as a thickener. So heat causes egg proteins to coagulate, or they get together. Because of this, they act as a good thickener. Thicken, that's a word that coagulate means. So examples of this would be like hollandaise sauce, custards, lemon curds. They also can serve as a binding agent. So, for example, in meat, it helps that meat stay in that loaf form. So, as you can see, our meatloaf recipe here, it includes an egg, and that's because when it's cooked and those proteins denature, it keeps its form, which keeps the meatloaf and all the other ingredients in a loaf rather than crumbling apart at first bite. It can also serve as an interfering agent. An example of this is New York style ice cream, which includes, and what this does is prevent the formation of large ice crystals. It gives it a smoother texture. For custard, like at Culver's, it's the same thing. It includes eggs to make it taste smoother. Structure. So the coagulation of the egg proteins help hold the structure in baked products such as muffins, cream puffs, cakes. That same idea that it gets denatured, coagulates, helps keep that structure. It also can add nutritious value. So eggs have a lot of protein, cholesterol, and different vitamins and minerals. That's why we often eat them plain. They have a lot of nutrients in them, so they're a healthy standalone, but they can add protein or other nutrients to items that have less nutrients, or even desserts can raise that protein level so that they have health in them. They can also add richness, tenderness, flavor, color. So eggs add in important flavors to dishes, especially egg-rich ones like custard, cream, shells. The fats can add a richness to baked goods, making them more flavorful. And the orange yolk gives a yellow color to yellow cakes, vanilla puddings, many other light colored foods that include eggs. So that sums up what we learned in that lesson. So there you go. Have a great day.